with the groceries. Now we're going to buy some supplements.
The supplement here, this one. Natin. It's 25 grams of protein per serving. This stacker not just protein, flavor, soft touch. 400 milligram of BCAA. Yeah, 5 types of probiotics and digestive enzyme. Masarap to ah. Then, gusto ko sa likod is total calories na is 120 naman. And then, the total fat, calories from fat is just 10 grams. Total fat is just 2%, 1.5 grams. And then protein is 25 grams. That's it. Made from the USA. So there's the instruction. Blend for 25 to 30 seconds until completely dissolved. If you prefer a thicker shake, add additional protein powder. Yeah. So excited to unpack this. We're going to mix 1 glass of this one. 5 pounds. Woo! I'm excited with this one. See how it tastes. Are you excited? Yay! 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 Let's see what's inside. Ano na sa loob nito? This will go away. Saan na natin siya? Let's see if there's any scoop. There you go. Wow. Yep. There we go. Wala akong shaker pa. So, one na lang natin. Let's taste it. I'm gonna give it a taste test. Double Dutch flavor, not bad. 25 grams of protein, then 1.5 grams of fat, almost 10 grams per calorie, per 120 calories. Okay na. Thanks, get wasted for this one. Till next time, see you on the next vlog. Goodbye, peace.
Bye. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and like the video.